Lican cream. Contains luliconazole 1% as a topical antifungal medicine, commonly used for skin fungal infections. Clinical uses. Lican cream is used for dermatophyte fungal infections, including Tinea pedis, athlete's foot; Tinea cruris, jock itch; Tinea corporis, ringworm. It relieves itching, redness, scaling, and irritation. Dose and administration. Apply once daily to affected area, plus approximately 1 inch surrounding skin. Duration. Tinea corporis, Cruris, 1 week. Tinea pedis, 2 weeks. Route. Topical, external use only. Clean and dry skin before application. Contraindications. Hypersensitivity, allergy to luliconazole, or any component. Avoid use in eyes, mouth, or mucosal areas. No major systemic contraindications reported. Side effects, mostly mild and local. Common: burning sensation, itching, redness, irritation, dry skin. Pregnancy and breastfeeding. Pregnancy. Category C. Use only if benefit greater than risk. Limited human data. Breastfeeding. Safety not well established. Use with caution. Avoid applying on breast area.